This is the demonstration for advanced smart home system. So this is the button through which we can control the light. So for now I will show you the demonstration to turn on and off this device. So this device allows us to toggle or turn on and off the light by clicking this button. As you can see, the light is turned off, and once again when we push this button, the light will be turned on. And this light can also be controlled by the mobile application from anywhere around the world. You can see the light is turned off. And if you have a smart display, if you buy a smart display coming from Amazon or Google Assistant, you can control that this lights with that display button just by touching here. Now I will click it, and you can see the light state is changed. And when you buy this display, you can turn on and off the lights also. Or if you don't want to have any buttons in your home, you can just attach a display here instead of these buttons. So there will be a cool and nice look inside your house. So this is also an option you have. And if you want to control your lights via remote, I will show you another gadget to control the lights through remote. If you want that feature, you can use when you are coming from outside the house and you don't want to use your any mobile or smartwatch. You can also control these things using your smartwatch also. This is the remote. It has a range of 100 meters. You can turn on and off. I have attached this remote to my entrance light of my home, and once I press this button, the state will change. When I push the button, the light is on, and when I push the button, the light is off. So this is how we can control the smart lighting using Alexa. Alexa, turn off hall light. Alexa, turn on hall light. So in this way we can control the smart lightings using Alexa or Google Assistant and many such smart devices.